If you suspect that you have a slab leak occurring in your home, that's going to be something you want to take care of pretty quickly. Today we're going to discuss some of your options moving forward. We do have a YouTube video that we've done previously that will explain some of the signs and symptoms of a slab leak. We suggest you check that out to determine whether you may or may not have one. If you think that you may have one, our first step is some form of leak detection. The most common is sound, and that's primarily used in a direct repair or jackhammering style of fixing your line. We can also trace the line using line tracers. We electronically charge the line, and that allows us to trace where the line is headed. One of our final steps in leak detection is pressurizing the line with air and using an air gauge to tell us whether or not that line is losing pressure and if it is indeed leaking. To take care of your slab leak today professionally, we typically recommend a reroute, which is where we replace the entire line and reroute it through your drywall rather than damage any of your floor or your structure at all, leaving the old line dead in the slab, never to leak again. It's important to know, however, that there could be additional lines running underneath your slab, and in order for a slab leak to never occur again, those will all have to be rerouted, which is a repipe option, and that is discussed in another video. If you think you have a slab leak occurring in your home, or you have any other additional questions about slab leaks, give Guardian Plumbers a call. We are always available to answer your questions 24/7.